Hi everyone, yes, it's coming. Hola, aloha, ciao, salut, ni hao, namaste, ohayo, yagamsima, здравствуйте, привет, buna, jinder, sziasztok, hello, and also sin ciao, yabosio, salam alaikum, saskreka, marhaban, merhaba. Welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me and watching my video. So it is the March, I can't believe I'm saying March, it is the March edition of the Asos beauty box, and they just call it AsosBox on their website, which is this one here. And just a brief information about that, it costs £12. It is not a monthly subscription, it is as and when it is available, first come first serve. They do run out of them, so you have to basically keep your eye on them, on it. And what you do is, if you register for kind of emails and so on, then when the box is available, they will email you. So that's what I did. They sent me an email, I checked it, and also then I ordered it. Now I do have some idea what's already in the box, but I made a point of not actually reading too much, only because ASOS, the way that they had it pictured, it had some of the products already sort of outside of the box, so it's inevitable that I would be able to see it. But I didn't go into detail, I did not read up on it or anything of that sort. So we are technically sort of doing the unboxing together. Okay, that's enough talking, thank you very much. Now what's in the box, and just opening it up. And I am terrible at opening boxes. I struggle all the time. It is freezing cold. I mean, have you seen, it's been so cold in London, and Scotland is even worse. And it is kind of like be careful, make sure you've got a padded bra on, otherwise when you come back home you won't have any nipples left. Anyway, in the box you have this, and you have the Go Play card, and it gives you some idea. Nailing your skincare regime. Also, it's all about skincare this time. Nailing your skincare regime is serious business. With that in mind, this box is stuffed with everything you need to get your eyes, lips and whole face looking their best. It says here, from mud, hydrogel and sheet mask to firm and moisturize your face, to kits designed specifically to give you your eyes, nose and lips the TLC they deserve. Consider this your self-care toolkit. Whether you're using one product at a time or multi-masking, experimenting with natural ingredients like honey, rosemary and strawberries, it's your face, so you make the rules. Go play. All right, go play. Don't mind if you notice that my hairline here, I haven't bothered doing any baby hairs or anything like that. I'm gonna put a hat on and go out. I just decided to film this quickly as it arrived. So you've got paper, purple paper, lilac I should say, very pretty color. And anyway, so right, so we are going to start off with this. I can see here lots of makeup, face mask stuff. This one is Rodial. Turning at an angle so my lighting can pick that up. Rodial, and this is the Dragon's Blood lip mask. Whoa, okay, I've heard about the Dragon's Blood but I've never used it. So it is a hydrate and tone, moisture rich, plumping biocellulose lip mask. Okay, so it is for your lips, and it's on the one sachet here, 5 grams in the sachet. The next item is from Nip and Fab, which I've got a few of their things. Nip and Fab fixes. This is the no needle fix eye mask. Okay, so this one is for targeted eye goggle mask to plump fine lines and wrinkles. Ooh, there you have it. Again, one sachet in there, so it's all about the sachets this time round. Okay, the next one is, and sorry about the change of lighting. I'm saving up to change my camera. I want to get a camera that's more skin tone realistic and everything. So I'll just have to put up with this one for the time being. So the next one is Honey Firm and Glow Mask Sheet. Ooh, I am looking forward to this one. It's from the company called It's Skin, skin safety tested, and that's this one. And it's got some Southeast Asian writing there, so I can't tell whether it's Chinese. I think it is Chinese, but there it is. And again, it's just I think it's one sachet in here. and it's all written in a different language at the back. And there's also no, I'm making crap up. All I know in Chinese is you know, Xin Chao, or should I say, that's not even Chinese, is it? No, Vietnamese. No, Ni Hao. There you go. And then you're supposed to say Ni Hao Ma, but never mind that. That's as much as I know in Chinese. But that's that one. That looks really interesting. I can't wait to try this actually. So another one. And then you've got another lot here from Yes to Tomatoes. I'm sure I've seen this one before. It looks as if it's a two-step face treatment. It is a two-step nose kit. Also the bye-bye clogged pores. Yes to keeping your nose clean with charcoal to detoxify and get rid of those nasty clogged pores. Thank you very much. I have enlarged pores, I have super oily skin, so it's very, very important to cleanse the skin and cleanse all the pores and let them breathe, I should say. So that's a good idea. And this one here is a detoxifying charcoal nose strip. Okay, so that's one nose strip in here, so it's a two-step effect. So that's that one here. Nice. So, and then the final item in here, which is this one, which has got bits stuck to the label for some strange reason. Pore Be Pure. Pore Be Pure. 100 ml in here, and this is from the Formula 10 and then 6. It is Pore Be Pure skin clarifying mud mask, strawberry and yarrow. Okay, this skin refining mask with berry boosters goes straight to work on clogged pores. Strawberry and rosemary eliminate impurities, while yarrow clarifies the skin for instant complexion perfection. And yes, as I said, 100 ml. I have no idea the true value of this. Probably this one alone will be not far off the price of the box. And then you've got those other ones, which are basically sachets, to be honest. So I really can't say. I'm not going to sit down and start calculating everything and give you a breakdown of what it would be and so on. I haven't got time for that. So sorry, but you can work out for yourself. I will, however, will do an editing period, try and find out the actual original price of this one, so at least you know, because this is a one full ingredient. All the others are in sachets. However, am I actually pleased with these? I actually am, because they are kind of a skincare, and I'm trying my best to really look after my skin and really cleanse it properly. I'm now a mature woman. So it is vital to look after my skin. So yes, I'm pleased, and as usual, the link will be in the description bar. Hopefully it'll still be on sale and hasn't sold out. And don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I do appreciate it. It helps my channel grow. The more you comment, the more you like, the more it allows YouTube to recognize it within the algorithm and be able to suggest it and promote it a bit more. So you get to help me out as well. As usual, thank you very much, and I will speak to you all very soon. Bye from cold London. See ya.